Hello there, Veena here from digitalaccesspass.com. In this video, I'll show you all the different ways in which you can generate a free sign-up form in DApp. The scope of a membership site is a lot bigger than just subscription products. You can use a membership site for both your free as well as paid offers. Everything in DApp is a product. So say that you want to create a free newsletter. So all you have to do is create a product in DApp, designate it as free, generate a sign-up form, and then you can publish it wherever you want. So there are different ways in which you can generate a sign-up form and get users to sign up to your free products in DApp, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So let me take you behind the scenes and show you how I manage it. So this is one of my free products. In the pricing tab, I have set this product as a free product, access duration forever, because when users sign up to this free product, they get full access to it. So the notifications tab is all about email notifications. So here in this tab, I have said, is this a double opt-in product? Yes. So what will happen is when users sign up to the free product, when they complete registration, DApp will send them this email first. So they will have to click on the confirmation link in the email to activate their account. And only after they complete activation, then they will receive the welcome email that I have set up here. So they cannot log in until they activate their account. So if you want to prevent spam signups, then this is something you should do. Set your product as a double opt-in product, and only if they complete confirmation, then release the welcome email. So the main thing with the welcome email is you need to release login credentials so users can log in and access the content. So you will find all the personalization tags right here. So you can use any of these personalization tags in the emails that you send from DApp. And also when you disable double opt-in, DApp will automatically log them in when they sign up. So if you have a registration form for this free offer and double opt-in is set to no, then when users register through the free form, DApp will first create an account for them, and then DApp will also log them into their membership area. But the automatic login will only work if it's set as not a double opt-in product. So when a new user signs up, DApp will automatically send an email to let you know that a new user sign up has happened. So whatever email address you enter here, DApp will send an email notification to that email ID to let you know that a new user has just signed up. If you want to connect DApp to an external email provider like say Aweber, ActiveCampaign, Drip, ConvertKit, any one of those, in that case, you can use the automation engine to connect your products in DApp with the external email provider. So when you are setting up your product in DApp, you can complete the product setup, and then you can come back to the product and go to the automation engine to set up automation rules. So you don't have to do it at the time when you're creating your product. So in the content responder tab is where you protect your content. So here you can protect all the content that's going to be part of this free offer. So I just have this one page that they get access to when they sign up to that free offer. You can select the page that you want to protect under the available content, and click on this icon here, or click on this button here to protect it. And then you can also change the drip setting after you protect it. If you want to change the drip setting, just click on this little editor icon right here to change the drip setting. So in the autoresponder tab, you can set follow-up emails here. If you're using an external email provider like say Aweber, and you're using the automation engine to connect DApp to Aweber, in that case, you don't have to use the follow-up emails here. You can leave it empty. So we are going to skip this tab for now, because here is where you generate the sign-up form, and there are different ways in which you can generate the sign-up form. We are going to skip this for now because I'm going to show you all the different ways in which you can do this after we set up the product. So let's skip this tab for now. So when you're setting up your free product, one of the things that's very important is set allow free sign up to yes. So make sure you set this to yes in the advanced tab of your product. All right, so this is my free product, and I have said allow free sign up to yes. And error page URL. So here users are going to be redirected to this page if they try to access content to which they don't have access. And you don't have to set up an error page for every product. Even if you decide to leave it empty, it's fine. Just set it up in setup config page, which is the global setting. So the post login. Now this is only used if users only have access to just this one product. If a user has access to multiple products, then DApp will ignore this and instead use the post login that you set in the setup config page. In fact, when you set up your login shortcode, you can specify the redirect right there. So if you use a redirect tag in your login shortcode, that's where users are going to land when they log in. So all of the setting will be ignored in that case. That will override all of these settings. Is this a credit store product? No, it's just a regular product. So this is just the default setting. And since this is not a credit store product, so just use the default setting here. And that's it. Now go ahead and save the product. So now let's take a look at the different ways in which you can get users to sign up to your free product. So this is my free product, and this is the sign up form tab of that free product. You can generate the sign up code here. So just click on this link here and it will give you the sign up code. And in this code, you will notice that there is a redirect tag. So it says redirect. So when you copy this, by default, you will see that it's set to send users to the login page. But if you want to change this, you can. So in the value field of that redirect tag, you can remove whatever is in there. And instead, you can add the landing page URL. So here, say for example, if you want to send users to a welcome page, you can. So you can specify in the value field, you can specify where you want users to go when they sign up. All right. So, and then you can copy this code and publish it on a WordPress page, or if you use a third-party sign-up form. In my case, I use Thrive Architect. You can copy this sign-up code there. And I'll show you how to do this with Thrive Architect in a little bit. But this is where you can generate the sign-up form. Now this is the same thing, except it's CAPTCHA enabled. If you want to prevent spam signups, you can click on it and you can copy this code and publish this on your squeeze page. This way it will be a CAPTCHA enabled form to help you prevent spam signups. And here also you can update the redirect tag, the value field in the redirect tag. By default, it points to the login page. So you can remove whatever is in there and you can change it to wherever you want to send users when they sign up. Now this one, if you want to allow users to sign up, but only allow users that have a special discount code to sign up, in that case, you can use this. So even though this product is free, only users that have that 100% discount code can get access to this product for free. So if you generate a sign up form through any of this method, you're just going to get a very basic sign up form. So I use the sign up code that I get from here only if I'm using a third-party sign up form and I'm just looking for the code to insert in my third-party sign-up form, because the form that you get from this is pretty basic. So I don't use this directly, but when I use Thrive Architect, for example, then I use a Thrive sign-up form and I insert the code that I get from here in the Thrive sign-up form. So when users sign up through the Thrive form, they still receive access to the product in DApp, because this form code will let Thrive know how to integrate it with DApp. Otherwise, to create a nice looking form, I use the form builder. So let me show you how the form builder works if you want to create a sign up form in DApp and publish that on your opt-in page. So if you use the form builder, this is shortcode based. So in this case, you don't have to use a third-party sign up form. You can just use a DApp generated sign up form and publish that on your opt-in page. So let me show you how this works. So visit products, click on create manage forms to get to the form builder, and you can use the form builder to generate sign up forms. And here you can customize the look and feel of the form, and you can add additional fields, custom fields, all of that really easily. All right, so let me show you how this works. So click on create new form to create a new sign up form. Give the form a name. So let's say we call it free sign up. Next, select the product for which you're generating the sign up form. So here I'm generating it for this free product. Next, redirect. Where do you want to send the users when they sign up? So enter the URL of the page to which you want to send users when they sign up. Do you want the form builder to automatically log in the users when they sign up to the free offer? If yes, set this to yes. But if it's double opt-in and you want them to activate their account first, leave it as no. Select a template. It comes with 2 templates and both of these are fully customizable. So let's say we select template 2. So here you can see you can customize all of these different fields, and there is a style customizer, there is a field customizer. If you don't want to display this heading section, you can turn it off. And so you can customize all of this information that you see here, and you can easily add additional information here. And if you want to add custom fields to your form, so users can enter that to register. So you can turn on the additional information section. Now, right now I have turned it on, but there are no custom fields, which is why I can't select anything here. So if you want to accept custom fields on your form, then go to members, go to custom fields page. So here I'm going to add a custom field. So database field name, I just use simple one word for that. And the label, let's call it tax ID. The type of field, you can select any one of these. So I'm going to select text box. Field value, nothing. If it's a required field, set this to yes, otherwise leave it as no. So now we have a custom field. So now let's go back to the form builder. So this is the form I had added, and I'm going to update it now and add the custom field. So this is the form here. And now under the additional information, I have this tax ID. You can turn it on and it will show up here. This is how easy it is to add additional fields, custom fields to your registration form using the form builder. So now when you save it, it's going to give you a shortcode, and you can publish this shortcode on your WordPress page wherever you want this form to appear. And the shortcode will be replaced by this form so users can sign up. When they sign up through this form, they're going to get access to your free product and app. And if you have set auto login to yes, they will also be logged in. So they don't even have to wait for a welcome email to log in. And they will be redirected to whatever page URL you set here when they sign up. So now let me show you how you can integrate the DApp sign up form with an external page builder. So here I'm using Thrive Architect to build my squeeze page, to build my opt-in page. So this is the page. So first I'm going to select a nice Thrive template. So this is the Thrive template. So here's the sign up form that I want to integrate with DApp to the free product and app. So I'm going to click on this, and here it says connect form to service. So I'm going to select that. And here it says switch to HTML integration. So that's what we need to select, and insert your code here. So I'm going to go back to DApp and the sign up form tab. I'm going to generate the code here. So again, make sure that the redirect tag that you have here, set that correctly, because that's the landing page. Redirect that you see here, by default, it points to login. I'm going to change this to welcome page. You can enter the full URL here, or you can just enter relative path like this. So now I am going to copy this and go back to Thrive template, enter this here. So here you can see the redirect, it's pointing to /welcome. So you can change this to whatever URL you want to send users to when they sign up. Continue. So you can see here, this is how it looks. If you want to change the placeholder, you can click on edit form elements, select it, and then change the placeholder to whatever you want. So for example, first name, email, and that's it. So now we have a sign up form, and this sign up form is connected to the product and app. So now if you save it and you publish this sign up form, when users sign up through this, they are going to receive access to the app. They can access the content, and they will be directed to the welcome page, and you can have a welcome message there, or you can directly send them to the downloads page or to the members area. So where you send them, it's up to you. You can update the redirect tag to send them wherever you want, and that's it. So I'll show you a couple more examples of this. So this is membershipsitelab.com website. So this is my training site for membership site owners. So here I have an exit pop. So you will see that the exit pop is going to show up as you leave the website. So this is a Thrive form, and I have connected this to the DApp sign up form just the way I showed you. So the sign up code is from DApp, so it's connected to DApp. So this pop-up shows up when users are leaving the website, and when they sign up through this, they are added to my free product and app, and they get access to the free product and app that way. All right, so this is one of the ways I do it. Now let me show you another example of this. So on the same website, membershipsitelab.com, you will also find another download. So here what I have done is I have connected this button to a lightbox pop-up. I have used Thrive Architect to build this page, and this is just a button, and when you click on it, it will open up a lightbox pop-up. So here the sign up form that you see, this is actually from my plugin called FB Lead Machine. So FB Lead Machine will allow you to get users to sign up using their Facebook login. So they can just click this button for one-click sign up using Facebook, or they can enter name and email to sign up. So this is pretty cool, especially if users are signing up on their mobile devices, and that's very common nowadays. So using this one-click sign up, they don't have to type in anything. Everything is automated. They just click on it, and if they are logged into Facebook, it's really easy for them to sign up. That's it. So they click on it and they get instant access to your free content. So I hope this helps. I've shown you 5-6 different ways in which you can generate a sign-up form, publish that on your opt-in page, and get users to sign up. And even if you have a sales page, and if you want to add an exit pop and connect that to your free product and app, you can do that just like I showed you. And I hope this helps. So if you have any other questions, please do let me know. My name is Veena Prashanth. Bye for now.